Airport, Goshen, Indiana. Automated weather observation 1331 Zulu. Wind 350 at 11. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 2,300. Temperature 01 Celsius. Dew point -02 Celsius. Altimeter 2983. Remarks. Density altitude -500.
Brakes work. Beta works. Morning Southbound clearance, Pilatus 921 November Golf on the ground at Goshen. Request IFR to Oscar Juliet Charlie.
Pilatus 921 November Golf, Southbound clearance delivery. Hold for release at the Goshen Airport. Clear to Oscar Juliet Charlie Airport as filed. Maintain 3000. Expect flight level 260, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 132.05, squawk 6223. Verify hold for release and stay at departure runway.
921 November Golf, I am holding for release here at Goshen. Cleared to Johnson County as filed. Climb maintain 3000, expect 260 in 10 minutes. Departure 132.05, squawk 6223. I'll be using runway 27 this morning at Goshen.
Pilatus 1 November Golf, read back was correct. The southbound altimeter 2986. Just give me a call on your number 1 ready to go.
I'll give you a call when we're number 1 and ready. 1 November Golf. Stick shaker test successful. Goshen traffic, Pilatus 921 November Golf, taxi runway 27, Goshen. Alright, compass is swinging to the right, ball is out to the left, attitude indicator is not banking. Altimeters are appropriate, within 75 feet. Clearance, Pilatus 921 November Golf, number 1 and ready, runway 27 at Goshen.
Pilatus 1 November Golf, Roger, southbound clearance delivery, stand by.
For takeoff check, got the flight director in go-around mode and heading mode. Got ice protection will turn on as we take the runway. Flaps and trims are all on the green. Fuel is on. Lights to go. Condition to flight idle as we take
November 1 November, or Pilatus 1 November Golf, piloting in controlled airspace, proceed direct to Oscar Juliet Charlie. You are released from the Goshen Airport.
Direct Oscar Juliet Charlie, release for departure off Goshen, 921 November Golf. Goshen traffic, Pilatus 921 November Golf, departing runway 27, Goshen. Run through it again, flaps and trims are green, ice protection's coming on. Lights coming on.
Entered runway 27, 5,900 feet remaining.
5,900 feet left, we should rotate in about 1,500 feet. And if we would need to stop straight ahead, it could take us just under 3,000. Condition lever to flight idle. Fast is clear. Right crosswind. Off we go. Power set. All gauges look good. Airspeed's coming up. 70 knots. Cross check. 80 knots. Rotate. Positive rate gears coming up. 100 knots, flaps come up. Goddamn, taxi landing lights come off. Goshen traffic, Pilatus 921 November Golf, departing the area to the west, Goshen. Morning southbound, Pilatus 921 November Golf, off Goshen, 2,400, climbing 3,000.
921 November Golf, southbound departure, ident, and climb maintain 10,000.
Ident, climb maintain 10,000, 921 November Golf.
1 November Golf, radar contact 3 miles west of the Goshen Airport. Southbound altimeter 2986, and show you at 2,900.
Altitude checks 1 November Golf. Alright, we have inertial separator and prop ice on. Gotta watch out for ice in these clouds. There's been some fire ups in the area. Looks like we just got a little trace of ice on that climb out. Now we're between layers here. 6,000 feet, or flight level 260. I thought I'd show you, for those that aren't used to flying in the flight levels this high or aren't pilots, you might not realize how cold it gets up here. The SAT, the sensed air temperature here, is negative 36 Celsius. And if you remember from science class, negative 40 is where Celsius and Fahrenheit are equal. So that's pretty chilly. That's actually standard temperature for this altitude. And it's not uncommon to get frost on the inside of the window. You can see a little bit of it there, a little strip at the bottom of the windshield. The reason it's not covering the entire windshield is because I've got the windshield heat on. That keeps it off. Visibility up. Getting pretty good speed here, true air speed of 272. That's actually really close to book numbers. 274 is book cruise for this altitude and temperature. Got 18 knots of wind off the nose, which gives us a ground speed of 254 knots. We are just south of Chicago. It's going an hour 13 on the FMS.
3148, contact Kansas City Center.
Pretty smooth right now. There's forecast for turbulence all the way, but we've been pretty smooth for the last little bit.
Flight level 380. 794, Chicago Center. Pilatus 1 November Golf, the airport 12 o'clock and 11 miles.
Yeah, I've got it in sight now on 2 November Golf.
1 November Golf, Cleveland approach, runway 36, the Johnson County Executive, radar service terminating, County Executive Tower at 126.0.
Over to Tower 260, clearing the visual to 36, 921 November Golf. Morning Executive Tower, Pilatus 921 November Golf, visual 36.
Pilatus 921 November Golf, Exec Tower, enter the right downwind for runway 36.
I'll enter the right downwind of runway 36, 921 November Golf.
Pilatus 921 November Golf, runway 36, cleared land.
36 cleared land, 921 November Golf. Beam the airport. Gear down, below 180. Alright, we got 3 greens. Got him to go yet. Got him sway.
Minimums.
Pilatus 1 November Golf, Golf Alpha to parking, monitor ground.
Golf Alpha to KGSH, 1 November Golf.